Hi, welcome everyone, and this is going to be your second field observation report. Um, I apologize, I've been very sick for past few days, and so so let's go ahead and talk about this. Again, this is a middle school observation, same instructions as the first report, and hopefully in this one you will see more of content and pedagogy because I have purposefully chosen a math classroom. You'll tell the grade range, give it a pseudonym, provide a rationale for it. You will go on the campus report, select the campus report, and use the school bar-wise. So we're going to use the middle school in Wichita Falls, bar-wise middle school, and that's what opens up. Once again, you're going to talk about ethnicities, at risk, ELL, teacher-student ratio, total number of students, mobility, all those things. What are you getting out of this report card? Um, it tells you the total number of students is above, whether it's met standard or not, and all those things. And the report, let's go back to it. Same areas to look for: content and pedagogy, respect and rapport, clear and accurate communication, student engagement, and your conclusion. This time the report is 100 points. So things have changed a little bit. Be careful, your pseudonyms and grade level and all that. Don't worry about the time and the date. Is 10 points. Statistics is 10 points. And then what you are looking for, the standards are very important. From all the papers that I've graded, I've seen that you guys have missed this out. The standard is important. And how does this, observing this, help you? So when you're talking about helping you, talk about helping you as a college student, helping you in your career, helping you in your life, maybe as a parent, as a guardian, as somebody, as a sibling, or as on all those, or as a teacher, or as a future teacher. Excuse me. And so all those things need to be over there. And then your conclusion. I am finishing up the first observations. They should be all done by this weekend. So if you do not see one, just let me know. If you do not see a grade and a feedback, please contact me and we can figure out what the issue is. I look forward to reading these again. Have a great weekend.